Hello, papas. We are here again. We have the one iPhone 8. We changed the earpiece, and now let's change the dock connector because the customers bringing to us for a faulty microphone. Don't hear the microphone. We thought maybe it's the audio chip, but no. So let's take it apart and change it. Remove the battery. This is the new. It's working. The old not working. So let's take it apart. Need some space here. Always no space. No space always. Three screws for this bracket. It's okay. We need a triangle for the screw. Put out the bracket. Okay. We can. I don't want to remove the motherboard. I can put out the SIM. Whoop! Like a gun. Boom! Okay. Let's see. We have here this. We have some screw. We have some space to remove it. Yes. So let's take the screws out, all the screws out. We need these plastics because we will use it again. This is the tape, double size tape in this microphone. I cut the tape. One screw here. Okay, in the bottom. We have two screws here. One, two. Okay. I don't know if you see it. One, two. One, two. One, two. Okay, and two here. One, two. Put it here. Okay. what we have here? We have a flex cable connects here. Okay, we remove it. Nice. And have this is the tapping engine. We push it, and you can unscrew this. Okay. Yeah, no. This is the you can here. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Okay. We remove it. It's okay. Remove it and it's okay. What is this? Ah, yeah, that's why. No need it. Yeah, that's why. So, let's remove all of these with this here down. Come on. Oh, okay. It's broken. That's why. It's cut it. That's why. But we don't care. I will change all the system. All the down system. Now they have a super glue down here. Maybe needs to put some R. R is air. Oh, let's ooh, burns, it burns. Easy. Easy peasy. Now, because we don't want to remove the motherboard, we can slightly up the motherboard and left, right the cable, the flex cable, like this. Look, Tuck, 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 tuck. Remove. So simple. Simple. Okay. So this is our new, brand new from our store, and let's make it. Let's put it here. Okay. Some tape glue here. Just remove these, all of these. I remove. Okay, until here. No need to remove here, cause I remove next. So now way to center cable. Now what I will do, I want to clear here. Okay, we can clear with toothbrush and some compressed air, a little here. Clean, and okay, let me see. I think we are fine. We are very fine. So now I put some cable, not in charge, and I will put this here to have a stable. We put it here, pressing, and like this. So we know here we are fine. Look, clack, 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 clack. Okay, and we are fine. So now, okay, maybe put this. Yes. No. We can do this like, but I don't want to have. It's okay. Okay. Now put it back here. Here like this. Did you see this? You must put it. I have one for the screws. Okay, here it's okay. And now clack, and we are fine. Now I will push these for the screws, this is for the other screws inside, like this, okay. This we are fine with, nice and properly. Microphones, nice, pressure like this. Anyway, I will cut it, and it will be again all of this. Don't need to watch. Okay. And done. You see, magic. So we are fine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. Okay, thank you. Bye.